Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to discuss about the generating function for the Bessel's function of the nth order or JNX. The generating function for JNX or the Bessel's function of nth order is defined as summation of n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity t to the power n jnx is equal to e to the power x by 2 t minus 1 by t, or e to the power x by 2 t minus 1 by t is equal to summation of n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity t to the power n jnx. So this is the generating function uh, we can define generating function for jnx, t to the power n jnx summation of n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. From the LHS of the equation 1 we know that e to the power x is equal to e to the power x is a expansion series 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus and so on, and this is equal to summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power r by factorial r. We can write x to the power r, suppose that x to the power 1 factorial 1 means x to the power 0 by factorial 0, that is factorial 0 is also 1, so x by 0 is 1, so that is 1, so 1 plus x plus square by factorial 2 and so on. This is in compact form we can write it summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power by r by factorial r. This is equation number 2. E to the power, now we can write e to the power, similarly e to the power x is equal to this much, so e to the power x by 2t is equal to summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power r t to the power means xt by 2 to the power r divided by factorial r. Similarly, e to the power minus x by 2 into 1 by t is equal to, this is the second term in the equation number 1. So, we can write e to the power minus x by 2 into 1 by t is equal to e to the power minus x by 2t. Again we put in the above equation e to the power x की जगह पर in the place of x it is minus x by 2t, and we can write it is equal to summation of r dash is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r dash x to the power r dash 2 to the power r dash t to the power r dash factorial r dash. R dash we can take p q anything, so in place of r we are taking just r dash. R dash is equal to 0. This is uh, another variable. So now multiplying equation 3 and 4 we get e to the power x by 2 t minus 1 by t is equal to summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power r t to the power r divided by 2 to the power r factorial r into summation of r dash is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r dash x to the power r, means combining 3 and 4. Combining 3 and 4 we get the equation like this, equation number 5. In order to find the tnth term we replace r by n plus r dash, we replace r by n plus r dash, and then the coefficient of t to the power n becomes summation of r dash is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power n plus r dash divided by 2 to the power n plus r dash factorial n plus r dash into minus 1 to the power r dash x to the power r dash divided by 2 to the power r dash, means r dash we are using in place of, we could also write it as p anything, r dash. So here what we see, x to the power n plus r dash so t to the power n, it is the coefficient of t to the power n, t to the power n, as in the equation number 5 we see that here it is t to the power r. In the equation you see in the numerator part there is 1 t to the power r, in the denominator part there is t to the power r dash. So r minus r dash, if we will put t to the power n, then we can see r is equal to n plus r dash. And similarly again the summation r dash is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r dash x by 2 to the power n plus 2 r dash 1 by factorial n plus r dash into factorial r dash, this is equal to jnx. This is equal to jnx or the Bessel's function Similarly, the coefficient t to the power minus n is also obtained by putting r dash is equal to n plus r, and then the coefficient of tn can be written as summation r is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power r to the power r factorial r minus 1. Same thing. So just like equation 5, we are also writing it, and here we see minus 1 to the power n into jnx. It comes like minus 1 to the power n jnx, and this is equal to nothing but j minus n x. J minus x is the Bessel's function of minus nth order. So since j minus nx is equal to minus 1 to the power n jnx, where n is a positive integer, this may also be written as, this equation j minus nx can also be written in terms of the gamma function, and that is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 to the power minus n plus 2r 1 upon factorial r gamma function minus n plus r plus 1. This is equation number 8, which tends to 0 if m minus n plus r plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, r is equal to n minus 1. Means when r is equal to n minus 1, j minus nx will be 0. Hence, all the terms up to nth will vanish, and therefore the limit r is equal to 0 may be changed from r is equal to n. Therefore, j minus nx comes out to be r is equal to n to infinity minus 1 to the power r x by 2 minus n plus 2r dash into 1 by factorial r gamma function minus n plus r dash plus n plus 1, where r is equal to n plus r dash. This is equal to summation of r dash is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n plus r dash x by 2 n plus 2r dash. So just culminating from the first term, it is divided by r, we can write n plus r dash. So factorial of n plus r dash gamma function r dash plus 1. So ultimately we see j minus nx is equal to minus 1 to the power n into this much, minus 1 to the power r dash x by 2 n plus 2 r dash 1 by factorial r dash gamma function n plus r dash plus 1. Hence from equation 5, 6 and 10 we have e to the power x by 2 t minus 1 by t is equal to summation of n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity t to the power n jnx, and this is, thus we again reach to the generating function for jnx. This is the generating function for jnx. This is the expression for generating function for jnx. We multiply it with so we can find out the jnx in this way from this equation. Thank you very much.